What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘕𝘰𝘯𝘦, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to show you how exactly to stake Xen. I'm sure you've been hearing a lot of things about Xen, but Xen is going to 100x within the next year or two. Sometimes in 2025, it's going to be worth 100 times the price that it is right now. Mark my words. So in order to receive more Xen, you need to stake it for the next 8 years. It's going to slowly decrease the amount of APY that it's going to give you over the next 8 years. But right now it's at a really high percentage rate of about 19%. Okay. So you want to take advantage of that as long as possible. So the first thing that you need to do is that when you want to start this process, you need to buy some Ethereum. Now you can buy Ethereum on websites such as KuCoin, such as Gemini, although watch out for Gemini. Don't do their APR savings account because they've not been able to give you your money back. You can buy it from places like Robinhood, Voyager, Celsius. A lot of these places that I named, watch out for them. You'll put your money in and then you do not want to keep your money on there. Okay. Never keep your money on the exchanges. Just put your US dollars in there or your euros in there, buy some Ethereum, and then send the Ethereum to this address. Now, what do I mean by this address? Let's minimize this a little bit. What you need to do is download a MetaMask. So you can download a MetaMask for Chrome, and you can also download it for Firefox. It's in the add-ons for both of those. Once you get them, you'll get a seed phrase. You need to write down that seed phrase is going to be about 12 letters or 24 letters. Write it down. Do not just randomly take a picture of it and keep it in your Google Drive or something like that. Do not do that. Write it down. Write it down like 3 or 4 times. Have 3 or 4 different copies. Put them in many different places, okay? So that you don't have to worry about losing them. Then once you get that seed phrase, that's pretty much your password for it. Okay, so once you download MetaMask, you should then send some Ethereum to your MetaMask address. Now, my MetaMask address is right here. You see the one that ends in 3AE. You want to copy and paste that and then send it to this address. So what I do normally is that I copy this like that, and then I email it to myself, and then I copy and paste in my email that's inside my phone. I copy and paste that address inside of crypto.com or Robinhood or something, or wherever you bought your Ethereum from. I copy and paste this address that I just got from Chromecast, and then I send myself the Ethereum to this Chromecast address, to this MetaMask address, okay? It's going to take about maybe less than 5 minutes for you to send this. So send about $10. I'm going to send about $10 right now for demonstration purposes. And there you go. You see, I just got $8 right there. And you heard the chime right there from my MacBook, okay? So I received this $8 that I sent to myself from crypto.com. And then I go to this website, okay, Xen.network. You then go to right here, the minting part, all right? I'm actually trying to mint it right now, so don't worry about that. What you normally would do then is just go to, minting is how you do it if you want to mint it for free. But because I bought it with Ethereum, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go to staking, all right? So the first thing that you do is that I don't have any Xen in my account right now. So the minting was the first process that I just showed you right there, but we don't want to do that right now because it takes about a day. That's the minimum amount that you're going to get. And in fact, you're going to lose some money if you mint for a day. You want to mint at least for 100 days now. But yeah, so what we're going to do then is choose to buy it. And the buying goes to Uniswap. And you tell them that you understand, that you accept this. You want to connect your wallet. So we're going to connect it to MetaMask. Bam, bam. It shows you I have 8 Ethereum. And then what I want to do. So what I want to do is I want to send as much Ethereum as possible. Okay, so that'll give me about 4 million Xen. We're going to ask to swap it, confirm the swap. It might be too expensive. Let's see. We might have to reduce the amount that we send. Let's try this, $5.66. Okay, so let's reject it because it's way too expensive. We have about $8 in our account, but it's asking us for $13. So let's reject it. And this is a good lesson. So let's cut that in half. $3.49. This should go through. So this is going to give us 2 million Zen. Okay. So let's try to swap it again. Confirm the swap. Look at the MetaMask up here. Let's do a market of a lower price. It's still too expensive. Oh my goodness. All right. So third time's the charm. Let's reduce it some more. Wow. All we get is 1.4 million Zen. Pretty much worth nothing. Look what I do for you guys. So we're going to swap it again for the low price. Reject this one. Dismiss. Swap it. Let's choose this 1.4 million. We're going to... There we go. It's accepted it. So let's click confirm. It's going to take a little while. And there you go. It has been accepted. Okay. So now we go to Zen. We reload the page. We have 1.4 million Zen in our account. Okay. 1.431 million Zen in our account. Then we click stake. Then we click stake at the bottom again. And we, before we click stake at the bottom again, let's try to do a mint for a very, very long time. We can do 1,000-day mint because who cares? This is just a short mint that doesn't really do anything. It's just a small amount. So we can do for 1,000 days. 1,000 days is going to give us 745 Zen. And we only had to put 143 Zen inside. All right. So this is why staking for a long time is awesome. If we do for just 100 days, it only gives you 74,000 or about 10% as much. Okay. But this is giving us, okay. Then we click stake and this is going to cost us a little bit more money again. All right. So we need to sign the contract to allow this to happen. And then we pay a fee, $3.20, probably lower than that. Looks like we don't have enough money again. But, what normally happens is that, I don't feel like waiting for this. What normally happens is that I pay the fee because I only have $2.04. What normally happens is that I pay the fee, it goes through, and then you see the staked amount that you have left. In fact, let me show you an example of a staked account. Yeah, see right here? This is my account that I staked. I still have 486 days left during the stake. It's going to mature on June 1st, 2024. Okay. So this is a very long-term hold. I put in 4 million. I put in 4 million Zen and I'm going to get out 1.166 million Zen. If I did 1,000 days, I would have gotten back like maybe 14 million Zen. It grows exponentially depending on how long you do the staking for. Okay. So I'm telling you this because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money.